Shipping containers are ideal modules for building hunting cabins and weekend retreats in the woods. This has been made possible by recycling the metal cutouts from container walls to make steel barn doors or retaining the original container cargo doors as shutters to secure the cabin when not in use. In this video, we bring to you an open house container retreat in Chile by Plannea Architects. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing container retreat. Welcome back. This innovative container house can be used as a home or a multi-purpose space. The structure is built from two shipping containers. The containers are placed parallel to each other and set 6 meters apart to saddle a big open space in between, creating a total of 96 square meters of habitable space. The containers are connected by a large steel roof that wraps the entirety of the two containers, creating a big sheltered open space in the middle. The resulting space is transformed into a livable solution with a big outdoor space complementing the indoor spaces inside the shipping container modules. In addition, the big steel roof creates a sense of spaciousness and offers a feeling of shelter. The roof generates a thermal regulator through the stack effect given by the height differentials at its ends and its open perimeter. The sloping roof allows the use of the container roof over the warehouse as a loft space. The containers sit on concrete piers to elevate the steel boxes away from moisture. The containers are joined to the space in the middle with a concrete floor slab and an additional concrete ramp to the warehouse container. The sheltered open space serves as a multifunctional space that allows the house to extend and transform during the day into an artistic workshop or into a yoga room. This building creates a space that invites you to live more simply, more freely, and lightly. The building creates a direct relationship with nature established due to its close contact to the outside world. One of the containers serves as a warehouse storage, while a second container accommodates a living space, a bedroom, and a spacious bathroom in the middle. The big open space is used as an outdoor living space with a lounge space adequately furnished with custom-designed lounge seats, a big dining space that can comfortably seat 8, ideal for a big family or a group dining. The open living space also features a small kitchenette with a sink, a cooktop, and enough under-the-counter storage cabinets. There is an additional storage counter for a skating board behind the warehouse storage. The accommodation container was framed out on the inside and insulated. The interior walls and ceiling are lined with timber throughout. The raw timber is a good solution for industrial finishes with low cost of maintenance. The living spaces are equally finished with timber flooring, creating a sense of warmth and elegance throughout the interior space. To maximize on space, the indoor spaces are sparsely furnished to avoid cramping up the space. For instance, bed lights are hanging from a storage shelf above the headboard, and slim wooden shelves are mounted on the bedside wall instead of big bed lamps that will occupy a lot of floor space. The indoor living spaces are fitted with big glass windows that connect the interiors to the outdoors, giving a feeling of expansion. The glazed entrance glass doors into the accommodation unit are fitted with steel door shutters made from cutouts from the shipping container walls. These shutters are cladded with timber to match the exterior cladding to camouflage the openings and secure the home when not in use. Furthermore, the original container doors are also left intact in the bedroom space to serve as door shutters to the fully glazed elevation. The outdoor space in the middle of the house is fitted with stylish outdoor sitting chairs as well as wooden and fabric swing chairs hanging from the steel roof above. This is a good, comfortable way to spend afternoon naps and unwind during good weather. Most outdoor furniture in the living space is made from recycled timber and timber from recycled fruit pallets. This container project has got very low environmental impact, considering that the materials used, like shipping containers, are repurposed from the industrial world, and the fruit pallets are for the household recycled furniture repurposed from the agricultural world. The main advantages of the recycling system is the construction speed is reduced, the cost is also reduced, and there is maximum optimization of building materials. The outdoor fireplace acts as a completion to the intermediate space, providing a cozy and intimate touch, integrating the landscape with the building. From outside, the original container cargo doors are left exposed, revealing their true identity. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are hidden with timber cladding throughout the exterior. The wood cladding adds warmth and harmony, creating a vital contrast with the coldness of steel metal. The timber cladding works well as a ventilated facade, as it is separated from the metallic cladding and it has an airy space at both ends, hence continuous ventilation. The exposed steel elements, including the steel trusses, are painted black to blend in with the rustic exterior finishes. The house has got very minimal landscaping. It blends seamlessly into the sandy outdoors, and the timber cladding helps the entire structure to blend in nicely into the highly forested surrounding. This structure is an epitome of appropriateness, affordability, and function, all tied up into one. Which part of this amazing container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.